Today we're going to change engine mount on BMW 520 automatic diesel. It's 2011 estate. So first thing first, you need to take off the cover. Well, it's up to you. You can take off front or you can take off the rear one, but I think it will be easier to take off both, but we'll see. Because this car been leaking oil very badly, so always the leak come down to this mountain, going to there, and then it will break the engine mountain and then start shaking. We need number 8. You need to open this hole. This one is off. See, this is the mountain. It's 3 screws on the bottom, but then I have to take off this one out as well. It's not enough. See, 1 second. Look at the bottom, how sitting on this bracket. It have to be spaced a little bit. I don't know if you can see this one. Yeah. This, I can't see it properly. But yeah, it have to be gap between when I put the new one, then you will see it. Yes. You see, that's what I mean. Now this side, where is oil filter housing, it's all common fault. Always it start leaking, and look, it's coming down, but always it start first going to inside this engine mountain. That's why it's going to be broken. And this side was leaking from turbo straight away to the mountain, and that's why what's happened. See, still oily. What? Gone. That's it, best idea. So first you need to open this one, which is it's there. Yeah, it's hard to open on this side. Yeah, this one you need to open. It's hard to open, the same as that side. Yeah, this side is easy, but this side, because of the steering rack, it's a little bit hard. And then after, you can just open that 3 screw, which is under. This is one. What the fuck? Second one, it's there. Okay. And the last one is here. They all different size. Not all. 2 of them is similar and 1 of them is long one. So the long one is staying there. Okay. Now I need to bring the jack. Then you bring this one. You need to know where you put. Okay. You cannot put somewhere where is weak. So I will put here, which is, it's a good place. See. And yeah, I see. Now I'm sure it's not gonna come out, so I have to probably open some of subframe. And there's a 3 screw, one here, and another one is behind us, plastic, to just make it down a little bit, otherwise it doesn't come out. Well, I'm thinking to take off this 4 screw, it's much more easier. It's quicker, otherwise it's hard to take it off, and especially when it's on the ramp. When you put the jack, you know, if you put extra, maybe the car flip it around, so a bit danger. So it's better to take a little bit more time than to make stuff danger. It took just 5 minutes to take it off. Okay, it's not gonna come out, but there is a space. Look, that's it. Otherwise it need to take off 6 screw from the subframe. But look at this, and look at this one. Look how different between here to here. And if you make like this, probably so, and then just put back. That's it. You need to make sure you put back those before you put engine down. You need to put back this one, otherwise you cannot adjust it. It will be hard. And then, and also it's got here, it's like a valve. That's it. And then it's easy to put back this one. Yeah, that's it. So you make sure you put all the screw before you tight anything, otherwise it will be hard. And then like this one, yeah, you make sure you put back all of them. So now tight it all, and then it's time to do this one. And then you can drop it down, but not all the way in. You need to make sure to put this one. 1 second. Okay. Still not a space. Let me drop it more. No. Yes, was a little bit. Okay. And then when you dropped, that's it. Then you can tighten it, and that's all done. Look how there was space. See, even finger can go in, but before was sitting there. Even you still can see the space. I mean, the marking. See, and this one is not bad. Yeah. And now it's time to put back the cover, and it's job done. Now it's done.